Send on that video there. I suck your mama. The first somebody will send out that video because I don't know if I'm going to talk about me. The pussy they want me dead, you know.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Go on, place up first and foremost. Subscribe if for your first time as well. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. AJA is it. So we are gonna kick off the video like this. Andrew Holness sets up bops and receive him vaccination. You see me? Well, at least I saw him make it look, and me I go show you, and then we get right into it.
Our Prime Minister, and it's 0.5 is the dosage.
Well, the thing, people, cause everybody has said the people them don't say, oh, him not take the vaccination, him not get no joke neither. Wanna comment and tell me on it. Otherwise, from that viewers, a fake news a go around say Skillibeng crash off a bike, you see me? And me there me I say, boom, to myself, you know that no good news, you know. You see me, guys? And I say, yo, I wear that video there, you know, you see me? So, I said, sub up some book up on the video, and I say, boom, and then Skillibeng come confirm same time, but I show the video first. End of the day, even if I did anybody else, I'm not glad for seeing none of that. For nobody, much less the artist, you see me? So the dog confirm, say, yo.
Send on that video there. I suck your mama. The first somebody will send out that video because I don't know if I'm going to talk about me. The pussy they want me dead, you know.
Why you don't put him on name and that end idea and then you don't even know? I'm going to get where the dog come from for real viewers, you see me? Yeah, man.
Yes. Boy, Mr. Holness and me again. You're tired of me. Sorry. You see me at the end? Because, you see why me I come here from what day? Because everybody else have vlog about one thing. I want to get this to you straight now. Be a dead woman that Jamaica. Watch her style now, my G. Watch her. You see she? Her boyfriend Killah. I be a ball, my ball for her. See her there? R.I.P. Jamaica. Spanish town she come from. You see? Last week Sunday when them go in her house when nobody can find her. When nobody can find this catty, you know what she there? I better not tell me. You see our auntie about? Because guess what now? This your brother you know. You see woman, you see no phone, you see if you not go left some of them boy yeah? Cause I know the government or the whatever, the police them, nobody can find this your brother you know. You see if you not go left some of them boy yeah? Mama left man. Nobody tell them say yeah go look no. Yeah look no break. Yeah look no none of that. Because she get 2 stab in her chest and him cut her throat just because she want a break from him, you know. All know them can't find this here boy, you know. All know them can't find him, you know. Him gone boy for him business, you know, and this here woman here there with her two pitney them. In the room. With her two pitney them. In the room. That him do. When me tell you say some of the time if you no left them money, if you left them in peace. No for you know them boy or them him stop the woman and cut her throat and left her in her bed with her two pitney them in her next room. I mean know somebody hide him. Me know whether if it's a woman hide him, whether if it's a man hide him, una sister. No but them him waits until the lane empty. And going at the woman house. We are two pitney them there in her room right there and he stab her in her chest and cut her throat. So when the woman them are going to get some justice boy, when you are going to put in, when this domestic thing, violence thing are going to even take serious down a yard there. Who don't like to see what a man beat girl and then guard up and so till they stop them and kill them. All know them can't find this brother here. All know them cannot find him. See him there? Him. Stab her 2 times in her chest and cut her throat. Most woman at Jamaica, somebody must know him, somebody must see him somewhere. Somebody must see him somewhere who hide him, everybody know. Somebody hide this your man here will stab one woman 2 times in her chest and cut her throat. This your man here we used to wrap up with her and tell her say him love her. This here the man where she used to intimate with. The I love yous. When this a go stop? Remember, you know, our pitney then the right they saw in the room side her. And in crawl go in the people house. Stab her in her chest and cut her throat. Somebody must have feed him. Somebody must have see which part him there. But and this woman here, her candle light come up now. The only thing she have to do right here now is get her candle light and see if we can get some justice to this woman. We have to see if we can get some justice for the woman here because guess what now? When you go look on this here now, look on that demand there. Killah of the woman left her 2 pitney them. The woman 2 pitney them the right there so. In the room, everybody want to know which part this woman here, they went to the woman the right in her room with her throat cut and 2 stab in her chest. No found the boy always a talk about on her queen and ray. And some boy want to see and shoot on and see and shoot them. Some boy want to see yo them the boy they look how we too tough them to get dirt. No, want to them your boy yeah. We are murder them look a woman here and tell. What to them boy you want murder for girl them. What to them your boy you want murder for pussy in a society. Even the killer the whole like pussy them in a society what go on. A batty man don't want to turn some man. A batty man don't really want to turn some. No justice. Nothing at all. And nobody don't know that brother there. You don't know that you there. Everybody know it. Somebody have to know him, somebody have to see him Jamaica and bigger than so. The things that mama say, oh no, I make blood clot preparation for God, not even clean up on one island. The island a deteriorate in front of your face. Mr. Holness say you not see it. Right now Jamaica is a boardhouse where a rotten down chichi and near me down and you not see that. The woman them are dead as you look. I want different woman that are dead. It's a different woman that are dead. Come watch her. What about she? Sam. Y'all try DJ and make you own a little way out here. You understand what I deal with? I try make a better way for she and her 2-year-old daughter. The girl not even get to live to see her 2-year-old daughter birthday for this big party where she a plan. Why? Why some couldn't see her little girl birthday party where she also a plan for young, beautiful, aspiring. Somewhere this a girl you try reach in her life. A work, good girl, but what? Nice baby. Eh? But just because of this your boy, me hear say your daddy have money. Cause him out from bail, you know, in a people. Him the pan bail, right, you know, because him and his friend then go broke people place. But as a someone no papa stay, they rather pay for no come out of the body hole them on a dig on yourself and put in a. This your blood, you about to go GP, go be somebody bitch. Somebody you gonna have your mouth a fucking a. You look on you can see he's a little boy. He's a child. You is a little boy, look on him. And what him do? Stab some and cut some throat to blood clot. What him do? Him cut her throat and stab her up and left her in a bush without slippers. Killah of the woman left her nice little baby girl. Baby not turned 2 yet. The same baby where you lie down side her. The same baby where you lie down side her. You find in your heart to stab and cut him mama throat. Because your daddy can pay for it. Eh? These are don't kill it down on them side there, you know, my friend. The high school, this a boy I go. I want trouble the high school, you know. If I go to school, I'm a troubled boy. Bad boy. Your daddy been. Your daddy been. Me don't know who have a baby right and I'm a good eye girl, mother. Because baby pretty. Favor her daddy too. In favor her father more than how in favor her mother. Look on the nice look. Where you left this little baby if you do know? Look on the pretty, look on the precious little girl. Not even 2 years old. Brother, you're wicked. When you look on it, you know, so much woman a job. Look on her. Woman a reach now in her life yet. Big artist. I will next chance see this. I will next chance see this. A billboard, mama good at it go climb. Bad artist. And what do you see? I tell Father God, R.I.P. boy. Them chop out me artist, R.I.P. And then she fall to the demise of her dirty baby father. This year, drunk cry, we fee him daddy, pay for him come out of. This year, boy, you're there on bail. Look on the girl where you make a girl life perishing for. This little girl not reach nowhere yet. They with the girl from she in a 10th grade. Where you go tell your daughter? Oh, we are gonna make all of them people. The whole of them money when me show from me there, so the whole of them free. And I walk about, people are see them, and nobody now catch them. People are put up with this. People are hide them people here. Right you know, 2 blood clot. To how it look? To how your father look like him have money. It look like he probably there on a boat already. So we not gonna get no justice to them woman who are dead, you know.